Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be featuring this Henry Extra vacuum cleaner. Now this one's located at my church and I thought I will demonstrate it for you guys. So let's get unplugged. Let's get plugged in, sorry. Now, unlike most Henrys that I've featured, I've seen, this one has a dual speed, so that's your on switch. And also, this one is your low and high speed settings, so I need it to be running first, so let's turn it on. So that's your low. Now let's switch it to high. See how much difference it is? Okay, let's get vacuuming. It's got the old style head. Let's switch it on and we'll have it on high. Yeah, I know it is. Well, it does seem to yeah, now shut up, I'm doing a video. So as you can see, that has done a very good job there. It doesn't clean it thoroughly, unlike the other Mila, which I've done on my channel. So let's finish this carpet and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. Right, I've just finished vacuuming this area and it does seem to do quite a good job there. And it's all thanks to the Henry Extra by Numatic. So hopefully that you've enjoyed that video, and until the next one, see you again very soon. Bye for now.